Hey everyone, I am Marcel Van, creator of the VannGo platform, and today I will be showing you how to use VannGo to make your own comics fast. So for anyone new here, which at this point is kind of everyone, VannGo is essentially a library of backgrounds and characters that you can use to speed up your art process. If you're like me, it typically takes more time than you have to give to do detailed artwork, and you're constantly looking for ways to get projects done faster, which ultimately results in sacrificing some of your artistic vision to create somewhat of a happy medium. But now, thanks to the revolutionary and innovative technologies of zip files, you can turn what's typically a month-long process into a fun couple hours at your computer. So that's enough with the introduction. Let's show you how to get started. First thing first, you'll need a third-party program to make use of the VannGo library. I personally use Photoshop, but I've been told by a very reliable source that GIMP is a healthy alternative that provides the same features and is available for free download off their website, which you can find at the link in the description. I'll do a video most likely soon, or maybe not as soon, for a tutorial dealing with GIMP in particular, but for now we're just gonna deal with Photoshop. So once you have a suitable program installed, you can then make your way to the VannGo channel. Think of each video as individual slices that you can piece together to make your comic pie. Some videos will be backgrounds while others are characters. So as to not spend all day distinguishing one from the other, be sure to make use of the playlist to help focus your search amongst the many options you'll have available to you. Once you find content you prefer, click the video and open the description box where you should see a Synth-based link. Follow the link and it will bring you to a page where you'll then be able to download the art file. You may have to go through an initial pop-up because Synth-based isn't exactly what it used to be, but simply close the pop-up, click the link to download it again, and this time it should work. So then go to your downloaded files, extract the files from the zip, and you should have all the included character models and its variations. So now that you have a background and a character, now you just need to set up your scene. I'd suggest doing a rough storyboard first. I'd suggest doing a rough storyboard first to help speed up the process and give yourself somewhat of a roadmap for where you're going. Once you know where you're going, arrange your characters accordingly on the background. To fully place some characters in their environment, you may need to make some edits to the character. Make this easier on yourself by lowering the transparency and then erase the parts of the character as needed. Okay, now that you have the frame set up, you are ready to paste the artwork into panels. So the easy way to do this is to use the shape tool to create an outline for your comic strip or full page. Then with that, you want to use the select tool to create an area over your desired panel. Alright, then go back to the artwork, select all, edit, copy, merged. Back to the panels, make sure you have your panel area selected, and then edit, paste into. And there you have it. Resize the frames as needed to better help fit your story, and add some word balloons and text. And hey, look at you! You made a whole comic with like lines, colors, and stuff. People are opening their mouths and they're saying things. You did it. You have captured lightning in a bottle and harnessed primordial energies to give birth to something that until today never existed. If you weren't one before, congratulations, because today you are an artist. So that is how you use VannGo. I know there aren't a lot of creative possibilities right now. Along with this, I'm also working on comic projects on Webtoons, which I invite you to check out. But rest assured, in time, the VannGo library will continue to expand and grow to satisfy even the wildest imaginations. So more backgrounds, more characters, and more tutorials coming soon. So I can't say that word. Subscribe now to never miss an addition to the VannGo library. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the platform. Always live your dreams, and most importantly, have fun. See you next time.